Hello! Today I'm going to show you simple step on how to cut picture on Photoshop. First step you need to do is click File and insert the picture by drag the picture into Photoshop, or you can click File, click Open and choose the picture that you want. The second step is we want to focus on the object, so we can zoom in by click Alt and zoom, and we can focus on the object to cut. Next, choose the tool from the three choices: Lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool, and polygonal lasso tool. Lasso tool is act like a pen or pencil so that you can outline manually, and the next tool is polygonal lasso tool, where it outline for straight line, and the last one, magnetic lasso tool, where it acts like a magnet, where it can detect automatically from the object that we want to cut. So I'm going to choose the polygonal lasso tool because our object have more straight lines started from any edges that you want, and click once when you meet the edge. Okay, so just follow the flow of the object. Next step is when you meet the end of the outline object, you need to meet the last point where it meets the starting point, and this is to come out. You can see the moving dash on the outline of the object. Then we can move the cut object, and if you want to move to another page, click File, click New, and set up the shape of the space that you want, and move the cut object into the new page. And if you want to decrease the size, click Alt T and adjust the size that you want. Okay, so here's the outcome. So this is the shape where it have all straight outline. So right now I'm going to show you steps on how to cut for free shape object. So I'm going to use this picture, zoom in and focus on the object that we want to cut, and then choose magnetic lasso tool. Choose any side or point that you want, and just follow slowly on every edge of the object. if there is certain or some areas that it's not outlined by the magnetic lasso tool, that is fine, because I will show you on how to make the outline clear. So this is the outcome, and if we look closely, we can see that there is an area which is not covered by the magnetic lasso tool. So another tool that we can use is quick selection tool. Cut out the outline into the object so that we can get a clear cut of the object that we want separated from the background. And we are done. Move the object into the other document, and if you look closely, there is a water area that we wanted to get rid of. So we can choose another tool, which is eraser tool, and erase the unwanted object that we don't want. Okay, done. That's all. Thank you.